It's always the torties. Always the torties that are the troublemakers. The little witches. So these are, last week I put up a vlog that we had 3 kittens dumped at the shelter. And well, it turns out that they actually dumped 6 kittens. So the 3 that we got into foster the next morning. And then later that day, after a horrific rainstorm, we found a dead body, a dead kitten, and then 2 more live ones. So they've been stuck in here with Mom, the 2 additional ones that we found, and then the foster mom actually brought back the other 3 yesterday. So Mom has her 5, and they are mobile. They are moving. Mobile kitties, and now she's got the 5 big ones too. And you're using the box. Good girl. So Mom has been really good. Luckily, the bigger kitties they do, they have a little bit of milk, but they're more interested in tin food and kitten food, so that's great. But Mom still cleans them up and keeps them calm because they're still little. They still need their mommy. And you've been a good mommy. So these guys were born on the 5th, and what's the 20th today? So they're 15 days old today. So cute. Really good one. What's so great about my pants? And my shoes. Hello, those are my shoes. And so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Little Mr. Orange, and then little Mr. Black and White. They're the shy ones. And the tortie, the brat, always the tortie. So when I stuck the 3 bigger ones in here yesterday, they all kind of like, oh no, this is scary. There's a big cat in here, to Mama Kitty. And little tortie was hissing, and then one of the other ones just climbed under and like, oh, boob milk, latched right on, started having a nice drink. But little tortie brat's still a brat. Little tortie brat's still a brat. Meow, 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 meow. How cute is she, though? Good girl, Mama. Holy shoot. What? She's crazy. What a good foster mom. Look at that. All right, what a brat. Enough. It's so hot. It's hot today, and whatever. Thanks for watching. This is Steph. This is Tenpa Thailand. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Meow.